Welcome back to Eyewitness News. This morning, we're joined by Charley O'Hara. He's here to answer your legal questions. So if you've got a legal question, get on the line right now. The number to call is right behind me, 436-1212. We do already have one caller on the line. So caller, go ahead and ask your question to Charley.
Yeah, Charley, I take several pills a day, and some of them are hardcore narcotics. Do I have to have the bottle with me in the car, or I got a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday pill dispenser with me?
Well, actually, I don't think you have to, but it's a lot better to have that, actually, because when the police stop you, and if you, for any reason, and if you have narcotics on you and you don't have any proof that you have a prescription for that, the police could think, well, maybe we ought to take them in for that. And you can later come back and probably prove that you had a prescription, it was actually your prescription drugs. But that becomes a controversy because a lot of people get stopped without a prescription. So I would think, personally, from what I've seen in the criminal system, it would always be best to have the bottle with you.
And it sounds like this man has quite a few of them. What's the level of maybe narcotic medications you have to have for there to be a different charge, maybe intent to distribute or anything like that?
Well, it has to do with the quantity, but what we do is we have a chart that basically says, based on the quantity that you have, there's a presumption that you would be selling it. But if you have a prescription and you got the prescription and you can prove the doctor gave it to you and you're taking them like you're supposed to, there's no crime.
And you can avoid a big-time hassle, probably, too, if you just go ahead and have that prescription bottle with you. Good idea there, Charley. Charley, I want to talk to you a little bit about length of trials. I know a lot of people are kind of wondering, man, this one trial that's going on with the mother in Wellington, it seems like it's taken a while to start. We're just at jury selection. Court trial continues today, and she might plead insanity in this case. How long do you expect criminal cases to take to prosecute, and what would the plea of insanity mean for her if they found her guilty by reason of insanity?
Well, as far as what trials take, sometimes they take a lot longer than people think they're going to take, and that's because we want to do them right. And when you're talking about somebody's liberty, you're talking about taking their freedom away, you want to do it correctly. You don't want to rush people into it. You want everybody to be prepared and to do it correctly. There's always a desire of everyone to get these items over with, including the attorneys and the judges and everybody, but we want to do it right, so it takes some time. Now, on insanity, that is a whole different issue, and you have doctors involved and everyone else, and we get into proof of what the doctors are going to say. So that can make it lengthy, even more lengthy.
All right, thanks so much, Charley. Thanks for your phone call. We're back right after this.